Using Clean?
Clean for scrubbing, yeah.
It does smell good.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Let them know what you're using.
Just got this in, the Bill Hammer glass cleaner. It's called Traceless. Shout out to Sebastian out in Canada, Triple C's. He's never been wrong about this Bill Hammer brand. He told me to try this out on the glass. He said, oh my God. And I'm trying it right now. We got a Clean Korea Zero that I use for the scrubbing. And then I got a fresh Kirk Franklin. You know what, I'm sorry, this is not a fresh Kirk Franklin. This is a second wash. But this thing goes on differently. It smells differently, and when you put it on and when you wipe, I never seen this stuff happen before. It's just wiping, clear away. It's just invisible. I'm stoked.
Oh, you could definitely see where it was all nasty. It was all nasty right here.
How's
From
that
here,
looking?
it looks fantastic already.
I've been doing windows for 3 years straight now, and I thought I got it figured out, and I do have it figured out. We come to the conclusion that you need a brand, fresh towels are the best thing to go. You got a brand new towel. However, in the heat, still run into some streaks here and there. We limit it. But with this Traceless, this Bill Hammer, I didn't have to come out and back and forth to get the little streaks. There's no streaks to see. Triple C's, you got it right, baby. Again, Bill Hammer Traceless. We'll link it in the description. It's definitely worth a try. All right, so we did the windshield. Everybody knows the windshield is the hardest part of glass. I think anybody could do the side windows with no problem. I just want to show you how I'm doing it. I'm spraying the towel, put a couple towels on here. And the best part about this is the feeling when you're cleaning the window. It feels like it's smooth, like you're putting on a ceiling. I never felt that before.
I see little beads in there, but it's evaporating quickly and clean. Yeah, it's extremely easy. It looks easy.
Here, try it right here. Just see the film.
It's on there already?
Yeah.
On the...
Yeah, it's on.
Okay. Right there up top.
Yeah.
That little...
So my towel is just too saturated. My towel's too saturated, but that's why I got my second towel. And that's it.
Yeah.
That's it.
Is it safe to say this is your favorite dedicated glass cleaner that you've tried?
I'm not going to say it yet, but from the looks of it, it looks like it's going to be. The ultimate test is going to be that Cybertruck. You guys ever worked on that Cybertruck? That windshield is crazy. We're going to get you that video in a couple weeks.